Hi there, welcome to our super fun lesson on prepositions of place. Have you ever wondered where something is, like your cat, your phone, or even your snacks? Well, these tiny things are called prepositions. Prepositions of place tell us where something is. On. It refers to the surface of something. For example, the book is on the table. In. It refers to inside of something. For example, the marker is in the box. Under. It refers to below of something. For example, the ball is under the chair. Next to. It refers to beside of something. For example, the pen is next to the notebook. Between. It refers to middle two things. For example, the rabbit is between turtles. In front of and behind. This refers to the position of something. For example, the marker is in front of the ruler. The ruler is behind the marker. Where is the ball? The ball is under the chair. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is between turtles. Where is the pen? The pen is next to the notebook. Where is the marker? The marker is in the box. Where is the marker? The marker is in front of the ruler. Where is the ruler? The ruler is behind the marker. Great! Now you are a preposition pro. Today we learned on, in, under, next to, between, in front of, and behind. Leave a comment below and write a sentence and use one of these prepositions. Like the video and subscribe to my channel for more lessons.